Hey, I'm Lizzy McAvoy. When I'm not writing songs, performing live, or producing in the studio, I'm the girl in the apron. Today's Girl in the Apron kitchen tip is when to flip. Folks, I'm here to tell you that I've had some pretty epic fails when it comes to flipping pancakes. I've even served some pancake pieces for breakfast before. But now see, my mom, she is really talented when it comes to flipping the perfect pancake. I'm not really sure how she does it because she puts it in the pan and then she just walks away. I think she might have an internal clock. So when I decided to do this Girl in the Apron kitchen tip, I went directly to the source. This is the mom-approved tips for flipping the perfect pancake. Be sure to find more Girl in the Apron recipes at www.lizzymcavoy.com. And let's get social.